Hello my friend, today I will introduce our three-dimensional books. We have these two styles. You can look here are the in-stock size and in-stock styles. Look like this. This is the with window, and we also have without window. And for this one is the snap fit books. And beside this, we also support customized the size. But for the customized size, we need your support to give us the length of the top, the length of the bottom, and the width of the top, the width of the bottom, and also the height size. So we need this size to calculate the price for you, and also we support how many styles look like this. We can have a hole on this. We also have the color. This one is the craft color, and also this one is the white color. And also we support to customize the big size, super big size like this. And the special printing